his early days also because he is a son of Mr. Salim Khan. तो क्या आपको लगा कि that reflects in his personality कि एक स्टार किड है तो कुछ स्टारी tantrums कुछ
सलमान जब एक किसी फिल्म में काम कर रहे थे, रेखा जी थी उसमें, आई फॉरगेट दैट वाज हिज फर्स्ट फिल्म, बीवी है तो ऐसी। उस वक्त मैं सलीम साहब के पास बैठा था, तो उन्होंने कोई मेरे को रिस्पॉन्स ऐसा नहीं दिया कि ही वांट्स हिज सन टू बिकम अ स्टार। मैं तो समझता हूँ इज अ गुड बॉय, ही शुड डू समथिंग एल्स, व्हाई शुड ही वर्क इन मूवीज। आई मीन इट्स नॉट दैट ही वाज अगेंस्ट, हिज इज सन, उसकी उनकी जान है वो, लेकिन उनका ऐसा एनकरेजिंग एटीट्यूड मैंने नहीं देखा था उस वक्त। तो वो फिल्म भी नहीं चली थी अनफॉर्चुनेटली, बट लक्की ही गॉट राजश्री's पिक्चर ऑन his own. It is not because of Salim Saab or because of any influence. He got on that film, and he worked very very hard for it. And Suraj and Salman had a great tuning that time, and they made a great film. So then Salim Saab gave a credit to him. He has done himself, and now I'm proud of him that we have never supported him, and we have not done anything for him to become a star. Salman Khan has created Salman Khan by himself, and I really respect him for that. So thereafter he became a star. Naturally, when the family felt that yes, that he can stay, can survive on that level, then they welcomed the success. That's very natural.
Salman Khan, since you've known him since he was young, and what is so charismatic या उनमें ऐसा क्या है जो which attracts women towards Salman? मतलब ऐसा क्या है? I know he's good looking, but
गुड लुकिंग तो होते हैं लोग, बट दैट ऑनेस्टी ऑन हिज फेस, द स्वीटनेस, द इनर स्वीटनेस, इनर इनोसेंस ऑन हिज फेस इज रियली किलिंग. दैट इज द थिंग आई हैव हर्ड फ्रॉम गर्ल्स, दोज हु केयर फॉर हिम एंड दोज हु हैव लव्ड. देखिए इश्क तो कब होता है, जब आदमी की आदमी से नज़र मिलती है तो पहली बार सिर्फ चेहरा ही देखता है, इतना सा यहाँ से शुरू होता है इश्क. एक अजीब सा अट्रैक्शन उसका होता है, and you get pulled by each other. The chemical reaction begins in your system, and then you come close, and it has to happen both ways. ऐसे तो हज़ार लड़कियां सलमान पे आशिक हैं, लेकिन सलमान शुड ऑल्सो रिएक्ट टू दैट सिचुएशन विच इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल. लेकिन जब कभी भी होता है तो किसी भी इंसान का इस इंसान से होता है तो तभी होता है. हिज इनर इनोसेंस जो है वो बहुत खूबसूरत है उसकी. एक बच्चा है उसके चेहरे पे अभी भी. नाउ इज़ 42. But he can, if he wants to show that he is a college student, is going to the college, he will look. Age is not showing on his face because inside is very beautiful, very handsome inside, very nice person inside, and that reflects on his face. That is why the attraction is there. Then naturally the physically also he has made himself. वो मेरी शूट करता था चांद का टुकड़ा, तो घर में एक्सरसाइज करने के लिए बीच में चला जाता था, इन बिटवीन द शॉट. कितना टाइम लगेगा लाइटिंग में, तो 25 मिनट लगेंगे. तो कैमरामैन बोलता था 30 मिनट लगाना, आई विल बी बैक इन 25 मिनट्स. सो ही वॉज सो केयरफुल टू मेक हिज बॉडी, विच ही डिड. ही इज़ वेरी डेडिकेटेड पर्सन. ही मेड हिज बॉडी, ही केप्ट मेंटेन हिज लुक्स, ही मेंटेन एवरीथिंग. इसी से ऐसे नहीं मिल जाती है. अगर सलमान में कोई आर्टिस्ट नहीं होता, इतनी अच्छाई नहीं होती, इतना बड़ा एक्टर नहीं बन सकता था. इज सुपरस्टार. सो देयर इज समथिंग वेरी ग्रेट इन हिम विच इज़ डेफिनेटली ब्लेसिंग ऑफ गॉड एंड हिज पेरेंट्स ऑफ कोर्स. सो दैट इज़ वाई सलमान खान इज़ सलमान खान. बाकी देखिए हर सुख हर इंसान को दुनिया में नहीं मिलता है. आप ये एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं कि सबको सुख ही सुख मिलेगा, वो किसी एक्टर को नहीं मिला, किसी एक्ट्रेस को नहीं मिला, किसी अमीर आदमी को नहीं मिला, किसी गरीब आदमी को नहीं मिला. दुख तो साथ ही है, वो तो साथ ही रहते हैं. कई तरह के दुख, आपको किसी और तरह का दुख मिलता है, मुझे किसी और तरह का दुख मिलता है, किसी और को किसी और तरह का दुख मिलता है. दैट इज़ द पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ एंड यू हैव टू लिव विद. एंड नाउ ही हैज लर्न टू लिव लाइफ. ही हैज़ अंडरस्टूड हु आर हिज फ्रेंड्स and who are not. But even today, just see, he is a man who he doesn't look for the big banners. He looks for his friends. He is working still in his friends' banners. And he is never forgotten those filmmakers who made films with him and now they are in problem. He will come forward and support them. If you need financial help, he did to so many people, I know it. So God is kind to him in many ways, many ways not. So personal life, I have no right to talk about his personal life. That is between him and the girl where he is involved. And इसमें किसी का कसूर नहीं है. It has to happen, it will keep on happening. Someday he will settle down, he will have a good family, he will have children. That we are looking for that day to happen.
We don't want to look into the personal aspect of Salman as a romantic hero or a romantic person or even romantic in personal life, but he's always been in news because of these women that he has dated or has been with over the years. And it's been like every time they are the ones who have spoken against him or for him, but he's never said anything.
You see, this is media's problem. That's what I'm saying. मेरी पर्सनल लाइफ, अगर मैं किसी से प्यार करता हूँ तो उसने भी मुझसे प्यार किया होगा ना. मैं प्यार करने वालों के बीच में वाई शुड दे पोक देयर नोज. अब रिश्ता क्यों टूट गया, पहले हुआ क्यों, फिर टूटा क्यों, तो आपको क्या ज़रूरत है उसके बारे में जानने की. वॉट इज़ योर प्रॉब्लम? दैट इज़ बिटवीन टू हार्ट्स, टू ह्यूमन बींग्स, and they have no right to interfere in it. Now what they do, they provoke people. He doesn't get provoked by media. He is gone through, पहले बहुत बोलता था कभी कभी, तो कुछ वो उसके बाद उसको रियलाइज़ हुआ कि I should control this because this is going against me or my family or my friends. Now if the opposite person speaks anything about him and he keeps quiet, I think he is a very sensible person, because it will only throw the mud on each other. And people will just read it, laugh at it, and they will have their own opinion, they will form their own thinking about him, and they will say, oh, he is bad or she is bad or that is bad and that is bad. But if he is bad, then why the girls fall for him like anything? Do the girls have no brains or what? There is something great about him, that's why.
No, but sir, I don't mind me asking, but even when the Aishwarya Rai Salman Khan case happened, Aishwarya Rai came out and spoke totally out in the open about what happened and what he did to her, and he absolutely kept mum about the whole thing.
See, देखिए ये ऐश्वर्या जी का और सलमान का चैप्टर is closed. Let them be in peace. She is a respectable wife. She is married to a good family and good man. So I have no right to talk about her. I have great respect for her, and I have great respect for Salman also. Why she spoke and why he didn't speak, I think you better keep me off from this controversy, because I respect both of them. I have no right and no reason to speak anything about them. I can talk in general. Some people get provoked, some people don't get provoked. So that depends on that mood and situations and halat, under what circumstance mentally you are in, and how somebody is provoking you, and how the people try to take out some truth and some anger out of you, and they just do blah 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 and all. So you see, this is very respectable people for me both, and I think and no one has a right to talk about it.